The PP3 extension identifies a RawTherapee Sidecar file containing non-destructive photo editing parameters for the RawTherapee raw image processing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage, apply, or troubleshoot these photo editing Sidecar files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted PP3 files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. PP3 files are Sidecar processing profile files for RawTherapee, a free open-source raw photo processor. They contain all non-destructive editing parameters including exposure, white balance tone, curves, color management, noise reduction, and sharpening applied to associated image files. RawTherapee PP3 files use a plaintext INI-like format with sections for each processing module containing parameter names and values. They store complete editing recipes that can be applied to any image, enabling consistent processing across photo batches. RawTherapee, developed by the RawTherapee team, serves as the industry application standard for PP3. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows displays the file plainly, but tools or documentation are needed to understand each parameter. We are checking system compatibility. Right-click your PP3 file and hit Open With. If RawTherapee is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, any other listed program will work for the test. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, applying profiles. Open RawTherapee and load an image. Use the Profile panel to apply a PP3 file as a processing profile. All saved adjustments, including exposure, color, and detail settings, are applied non-destructively. Fine-tune individual parameters after profile application. Next, creating custom profiles. Edit an image in RawTherapee, adjusting all desired processing parameters. Save the current settings as a PP3 profile via the Profile panel's Save button. Name the profile descriptively for organized access. Share PP3 files for consistent processing across teams. Finally, batch processing. Apply PP3 profiles to multiple images using RawTherapee's queue system. Select images in the file browser, right-click, and apply a processing profile. Add to the processing queue and batch export to generate consistently processed images from your PP3 editing recipe. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.